So hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Barbara and today we are going to make the best kachumbari you've ever tasted. So you're going to need some red onions, tomato, some chili, salt and some hot water. So I have decided to cut my onions into half because that is how I like them. You're going to take that green part off because it tends to be so bitter. Hope you guys can see. Yes, sorry about that. So we're taking off the green part that is in the middle of our onion. Just peel off our onion. To slice in our onions. This is how I like to slice my onions. So just that way, like you hold it like that, and then you just slice it. I like them as thin as possible and half, but not any other shape. Then just slice them. So I'm going to preserve this for a stock that I'm about to make. So we're not going to throw this away. So I'm going to cut the rest of the onions the same way. And it's okay if they are not going to come out half, but the point is having them as thin as possible. I like onions a lot, so you can choose to use just one onion, which is fine. I love my kachumbari in almost every meal, whether it's pilau, biryani, just some white rice, matoke. I just love something that is a bit raw on my food, and I use a lot of the salad, the kachumbari I mean. So once you're done, we are going to add it on our bowl. Then you're going to add in some salt, about 2 spoons of this size. I don't know which size this is. then we're going to add in some hot water. The reason why we are adding salt and hot water to our onions is we want to get rid of the aftertaste of the onions that always leaves a bad smell on our mouth. So we are going to let that rest while we slice in our tomatoes and our chili. So the idea is still the same for cutting our tomatoes, just like our onions. Just cut it into half, and let's just start slicing your tomatoes as thin as possible and in the same shape. You can choose to add tomatoes, but like I said, I like my onions more than my tomatoes. I'm going to chop our chilies. So we're using just 3 small green chilies. So it's optional, you can just choose not to use the chili. You can use black pepper, but still you can just use onions and tomatoes, which is fine if you're not a chili person. So at this point, I know our onions have soaked enough, so we're just going to drain in the water. So as you can see, the onions are not cooked. They are not cooked at all. So the next step you're going to add in is our tomato and our chilies. So this is the point where you can add you can squeeze in your lemon or your vinegar. For me today, I just chose I'll add in some slices of mango. So just going to add in mangoes in my salad. So this is about 1 mango. Oops. Then I'm going to add in some darker salt because of the mango. Then we're just going to mix it. Some choose to add cucumber, some choose to add dania leaves. Whatever your preference is, it's still fine. The idea is just cut your tomatoes and your onions the same shape. You're going to have a good salad. So our salad is done. That is how it's looking like. It's very colorful, and trust you me, it will be very sweet. So thank you so much guys for watching this channel. Till the next video, bye.